stock transfers between warehouses. Sometimes when you are working with multiple warehouses, you need to move goods from one place to another. For example, you might need to move restored devices from the repair center to the main warehouse. You can do so from the Moving section. There are 3 easy steps: creating a moving request, creating a moving document, and creating an acceptance document. How does this work? For instance, let's say the store needs some items, so they send a moving request to the main warehouse. The main warehouse would then open the request and create a moving document with all the information about the devices being sent. Finally, the store employee would open the moving document and create an acceptance document. As a result, the devices would be transferred from the warehouse to the store. Moving requests. To create a moving request, go to Moving and then click Move Requests. Press the Add Request button. Choose the warehouses from which you want to make a transfer and select the warehouse to which you want to move the goods. Enter the goods to transfer, the grade, if necessary, and the quantity. No IMEI numbers are necessary, just product names. Then, click the Save button. Creating the moving document. We've created the moving request. Now let's create the moving document. To do this, in the Moving Request section, open the moving request from which you want to make the moving document. Click the Add Moving button. Enter or scan the IMEI numbers of the devices you will be sending, and click the Send button. Confirm the action. Acceptance of goods. The last step is acceptance of goods. When you want to accept the sent goods, go to the Moving section and open the appropriate moving document. Then, click the Add Acceptance button. Enter the IMEI number of the device you would like to add to the acceptance document and press the Add button. When you are done adding devices, click the Receive button and confirm the action. All acceptance documents are available in the Acceptance section. When you go to the Items section, you will see the changes to these items' destination.